see.
All right, let's watch it.
This is the first 2.4 gig conversion out of the RD8000.
Nice.
Let's see. We'll see if it flies.
It'll fly.
Hopefully.
Just depends on how long it'll fly.
No, he's
okay.
We'll see. He'll be okay.
Get her up. Get her up. We need to build a flying turkey fryer.
Yeah, we'll have to work on plans for a flying turkey fryer.
Who wants to do it a little launch?
All
right, here we go. This is the maiden 2.4 flight.
You ready? He's flying something. Let me get behind him. He just landed it gently.
It needs a little more up.
Okay, I'm not cutting any of this.
Oh well.
Yeah, it seems like the power.
Well, now that it's got the new receiver,
yeah.
he had to try to trim it a bit.
Jer, launch it at like a 45. The wing will take it. Give him some altitude.
Take two.
No, nice and level, nice and level.
Oh well.
I don't think door moment.
Okay. Alright, you ready? Take two. Alright,
What the hell is it? Oh, nice and smooth.
Does it make left turns or right turns? Yeah, you see that? I told him to make a right turn right into me. Yeah, you see that? I told Yeah, you see that? Yeah, you see that? I told him to make a right turn right into me.
Come on, we're still rolling. Throw it again.
All right, we need to adjust a little trim.
Take three, Pat.
Wow.
All right, let me stand behind you.
Oh, it needs a little.
Give it throttle first, or you give it as it goes up?
No, you give it throttle first. Okay, what to do?
That's the best.
I'm trying to get on the control. Yeah. Use left trim. I mean, I'm sorry, right trim.
See now. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, you see I was flying with twice as much as that.
Yeah.
You tried to do a little bit of left. Oh? And yeah, because it's still
Turning out to the deflect.
Oh well, yeah, because it seems to be climbing down.
Nice.
Alright, you gotta post that on the web. Dr. E was flying!
They're nice.
Yeah, these indestructible things are fucking.
Take a bow. Dr. E!
All right.